As we discussed in the previous course of Maintenance Management Basics, we mentioned that the team in charge of managing shutdowns could be either a dedicated team or it could be the responsibility of the planning team as well. Anyway, shutdown management is like project management, but with a smaller scale. The team in charge of shutdown management should take care of the following tasks. The first thing is to collect and prepare the details of activities scheduled for execution during the shutdown or the turnaround period. Activities preparation includes preparing the required competencies, labors, tools, spare parts, and equipment. On top of this, the team should prepare the detailed job plans for these activities, which by default will include all the previous details. The most important thing is to add all of these activities to one of the project management software, which is Microsoft Project in most of the cases, in order to arrange the sequence or overlap of the activities all together at the same time. And also to find the critical path, which will impact the whole shutdown time, or in other words, the whole project time. Through the project chart, you can expect the total time required to complete all the activities and what is needed to match it with the time constraint of the shutdown. Follow up the activities progress during the shutdown is mandatory to make sure the activities being completed within the pre-estimated duration, to ensure the whole project will be finished by the given time, and to take the proper actions either to speed up or to avoid any possible delays. So time control is one of the main responsibilities during shutdown management, followed by the budget control or money constraint. Preparing or estimating the required budget for the shutdown is an important task to figure out how much we are going to spend during the shutdown and to ensure that we will stick to such figure or amount. You cannot control what you cannot measure. This is why you need to follow up the progress of your project on a daily basis and to report the progress, including any challenges, milestone, or possible delays, so the concerned people can take the proper decision. As we mentioned earlier, CPM or critical path method is a very important method to be used with the Microsoft project, so you can identify exactly where's the longest path or the critical path which might impact the whole project or the whole shutdown or turnaround if it was delayed. When it comes to sources of job plans, or how to plan for a job, or where to get the required information from, what are the main resources to rely on when you build a job plan or plan for a job? The first thing you should do is to refer to the operation and maintenance manual provided by the OEM or the original equipment manufacturer. Usually they include in their manuals the procedure to open, dismantle, dismount, or assemble and install back their parts. If manuals are not available or sometimes the information is missing, you can either access their website to check if they have their own database which might have such information, or you might send them a quick message or email asking for help, since they are the best source to tell you how to repair or replace an equipment they already designed and manufactured. The second main source of information is your own experienced staff. They had done similar jobs maybe tens of times, and they know exactly how to do it. So all you need is to record the steps and procedures they followed previously and to re-evaluate and finalize it with the whole concerned team to ensure that it is the best and safest way to do the job. The other main resource could be the history of the equipment recorded in the CMMS or computerized maintenance management system, or you can get the help of a third-party contractor who has the experience to do such kind of jobs. The main objective of building a job plan is to make sure that you capture all relevant information related to the job, so you can prepare it early enough before you start physically to do it, to save the time and efforts of your team and to avoid any waste of money.